I just want to do a quick video on how to replace a Mavic Zicral spoke. In this scenario, on this Mavic Serum SL, the spoke is actually frozen within the nipple, and you can kind of tell how the spoke is twisted. This is pretty common. This happens whenever you try to turn the nipple while holding the spoke, and the spoke does not spin within the nipple. So you get this deforming of the spoke or twisting. So what you want to do at this point, when you're going to replace, you want to remove the spoke by cutting it. And I should mention that you should wear some form of eye protection and note the routing or the lacing pattern of the spoke. So once you cut the spoke, you're going to remove the portion from the hub, like so. And once that's removed, you're going to remove the remaining portion of the spoke from the rim by unthreading it. Remember, it's reverse threaded, so righty loosey. Oh, look who showed up. Hey, Mo. What I like to do when I replace a spoke is I like to apply grease to the threads of the nipple and also the area of the spoke that is hidden by the nipple. This will hopefully prevent the freezing of the spoke within the nipple in the future. Okay, I'm going to correctly lace the spoke back into the wheel. I'm going to insert the head of the spoke into the slot in the hub and carefully bend the spoke to get it into the hole in the rim and thread the nipple back into the rim. Okay, at this point, you can continue on with the truing process. If you have any questions, you can hit me up.